everybody, welcome back to Lilia's garden channel. Today is a beautiful sunny morning and I'm out in the garden with my lovely potatoes. Now these potatoes were grown without digging the soil whatsoever. I made a video about it. It's linked in the description box below, as well as a harvest of when I grew them last year and harvested them with my bare hands, you guys. So some of these potatoes were planted kind of shallow, and the wood chips actually decomposed over the past like 2 months or so since we've been getting rain, and they've been like breaking down, and the layer of the wood chips dropped significantly. And I'm paranoid that they're gonna reach the surface and turn green because they be exposed to sunlight. They turn green and they turn poisonous. So here I am. I literally dug down for like an inch deep, and here's a potato that's right there, which ain't a good thing. So I am going to be covering these guys up with organic matter, aka wood chips. So here I be filling up my wheelbarrow with this amazingness of wood chips. Now this pile has been sitting there for about like 2 months or so, and a lot of it has been breaking down real nicely. Right here we could see that it just breaking down, like already in the stages of turning into humus. And I like to smell it. It be smelling real good. Yes, this is kind of weird, but I like to smell it. And here we have our wheelbarrow ready, and we are off to where the potatoes are. Let's do this, baby. Now I typically be doing this type of thing when the potatoes be young, because it's much easier. You don't gotta be dealing with branches. You don't gotta be dealing with holding down the branches away so you can put down the wood chips. But I was doing a bunch of older ones, which was required a little more effort, but it's doable. I'd be so glad that I don't gotta be doing the typical way of hilling, where people be using a hoe or some other tool to be scraping up the soil to make a mountain. I just be laying it down, laying down those wood chips, and that is the most work that I do, you guys. Fun fact, I actually have not been watering these potatoes, and the rain just be watering them. And it's amazing because if you dig down, it's nice and damp in there, and man, it's like compost, and the potatoes just absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I feel like my neighbors, they choose a day they know I will be filming, and they choose a day in order to do work and make noise. Seriously, they're like, she be filming today, let's go mow the lawn. No joke, you guys. It's a rock rose. It's real pretty. It did not like being in a vase, so as soon as you pick it and try to put it in a vase, it be like, no. And it drops all of its petals like on your kitchen table, and you're like ticked off because first of all you're trying to enjoy this flower, and then it's like not cooperating with you, so therefore it's trying to take you off by dropping its petals. What? Cistus X purpureus. It's a cute little Bewick strand, you guys. So cute.